What's up, YouTube? It's your girl renamoee, and I'm back at it again with another video. And I'm outside because I am at, I want to say, Tarka's Indian Kitchen. I'm about to try some Indian food for the first time, and I have a special guest.
Hi, y'all. I'm Lena.
Period. And we about to go in here and try some Indian food. I'm so excited, y'all. I ain't ate all day. I've been waiting on this. I ain't ate all day. He giving us some recommendations. Shout yourself out again. I ain't get your mind.
KenoHTX. KenoHTX.
Period. Okay, he gonna give us some
Twitter,
recommendations.
Instagram, all of that. All right, some recommendations. This is the most popular. Tikka masala. Everyone gets this stuff. This right here.
Okay.
Kebabs are also very popular, as well as the biryanis. Chicken, lamb, shrimp. Those and everything. Everyone gets one of those three and everything.
Okay.
The vegetable stuff doesn't come with any meat. But basically what you do is you order one, you choose what kind of protein you want in it, and you choose how spicy you want it to be.
Okay.
As far as like appetizers and stuff, samosas is the most popular.
I want to, nah, those I do want to try. Some girl had another day and they look
But
good.
these are vegetables, no meat in it.
That's fine.
These are vegetables.
Okay.
Which one did you say?
This one right here, most popular.
What is that?
This, let me show you. Come right here.
Look at that.
He's showing us.
That's the vegetable samosas. Like little triangle empanada little things with vegetables inside.
That's a good. Okay, I like that.
Actually,
Yeah. Say it again. And actually, a few more times.
okay, so if you make an account right now, all I need is your phone number. We're not going to send you a bunch of text messages. We will give you a free starter on your next order. And that
Okay.
activates immediately. So you can make an order now and then make another one right after and get something free.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to do that. Which one?
Tarka Indian Kitchen, City West, on Westheimer, close to Beltway 8. Come look for us.
New here.
You're new here? From where?
They got wine, y'all. Do I want some wine?
Where you at?
You don't sound like Pooh Shiesty though.
I'm crying. He talking about Pooh Shiesty.
Yeah, okay.
He stayed down there with my grandma though.
For real?
Yeah, he's staying in Cane Creek. Well, you ain't gonna know what this.
Not at all, but
What's the best wine on here? I'm looking at
best
the
wine.
rosé and then the grapefruit, mango, passion fruit.
You in H-Town, you can get as loud as you want here.
Yeah, y'all get them.
Okay. Like, don't say that.
Okay,
The most popular wine I see people get is the rosé. The rosé and the Pinot
Grigio.
Yeah.
Give me. Dang.
Or the gnarly head for red wines.
No, I don't like red wines. I kind of want something sweet.
Oh, that shrimp coconut curry.
Gotta get some wine.
How spicy do you want it?
I got to.
For the blogs?
Y'all gotta be.
I want mine's medium. I don't want it too hot. I want to enjoy it.
Okay, medium with a pile,
Do you need plasticware?
Yep.
some wine.
Oh my goodness. The grapefruit, mango, and passion fruit. Is that good? If people get that?
Wait, which one?
It's this one. The second one.
The Bonterra Sa. Okay.
So we have one.
Yeah, is it
It's gonna
good?
be a dry white wine.
Oh, it's dry.
You got from this.
Which one is your favorite?
Rosé.
Okay, just give me the rosé.
Rosé
The
all
rosé all day rosé.
A bottle, right?
No. No. You want me to be in the back seat? You want me in the back sleep on the stove? Then give me the bottle.
Get your views up, I promise you will. All right, you got a pop coconut curry and the rosé, right?
Yep.
You go eat it here or take it to go?
We're gonna eat it here.
We're Rena, guys.
I'm excited.
Let me see your phone number.
7. Just to show y'all that he wasn't lying.
Wasn't lying.
He wasn't lying.
You see? It went to 0.
Look at that.
Food.
Get all of that. He's a great employee. You need a raise.
Keno. Say it again for the blog.
You need a
I need
fucking raise.
raise. My mama.
I got the rose.
Do y'all have a Moscato?
Moscato.
This is state wine stuff.
Do we have Moscato? I don't think so. We got
Mm-mm.
Merlot, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir.
Give me the same thing.
Rosé. A bottle?
No.
He's toxic. He wants us to get drunk. If y'all had hookah, then we really be in here.
You smoke hookah?
Mm-hmm.
You from Memphis too?
No, I'm from Chicago.
Oh, this is close though. Close to it. Almost.
Rosé all day.
All right, so that's it. That 9 team salad and the rosé, right?
Yeah.
All right, then. Yeah. What's your phone number?
901.
These are the samosas. Like a few minutes for the fries.
Yes. It looks like it's... So we got the samosas. Looks good. We waiting on the fries.
Pop bread, and then I have a coconut curry with shrimp.
That's me.
And do we need extra plates, or we're waiting on some other stuff?
Oh, we waiting on her food still. Oh my god. This looks This looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Okay, y'all. So look at right now.
Well, here's the bag.
Oh.
Left and
This one?
About us some wine, child. I'm excited. Okay. I'm finna eat. Okay, why my lighting look crazy? Do it look bad to you?
No, did you clean your camera?
I thought I did. It look a little blurry, huh? Oh, yeah, I didn't. I didn't at all.
Okay. We're gonna start first.
The starter. We just gonna share this.
Okay.
So we're gonna try the vegetable samosas and the fries, the whatever sauce.
Yeah, I don't even know what sauce it is.
Okay.
I just want a small piece.
Just take one. Just put it okay. We can just share. But I ain't pay for it.
Your sauce good.
Yeah, these are good.
Oh, we gotta get our own water. Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, this fine. I might have to order some more. Go to dip the fries in the sauce. Now that's different.
Thank you.
That's different. Thanks, babe.
Oh wow.
I dipped the fries. Your phone too?
Girl, this is suckish. Well,
You gotta dip the fries. Oh, wait. Do a boomerang.
right, that's what I was trying to do. Okay.
Start in. You start in and then go out. Ready? Set.
You don't like that?
That's cute. I look like a little ass kid though.
You don't like it?
No, it just got. Whew.
This is.
Yeah, I really gotta try this. And the fries, I don't know what sauce this is, but I love French fries already. It's good.
Then it's like real fresh.
It It's like, what sauce is it? That's different.
I'm happy. Okay, so
The wine is not all bad. It just seems like something you're going to drink. We'll put your fries over here so you can get your bread with your stuff. I might die on this, but okay, y'all. So now we're about to try our entree. So I have the coconut curry with shrimp, and I have the olive bread. It's kind of like Hawaiian roll, they said.
and then I have the curry. Is it the curry? The chicken curry
Yeah, something with a T.
with the rice, and then I got the regular naan.
Yeah, that look good.
It
So
looks cold. It smells like pancakes, y'all.
really,
It do. Like it smells like
it does
it
smell
smells
like
like a little,
pancakes.
like they use it in pancake batter.
I'm frying. Okay, so we about to dig. Ooh, it's steaming.
Do we dip this on the rice?
I'm about to grab some rice with it. I hope I'm eating it right.
Yeah, I seen somebody back there doing it.
Oh yeah, that's it. I like that. That tastes like something like
Let me taste it again.
you would. This reminds me of my childhood,
Is
like
it
something
tomato?
you would eat when you sick or something. You know, like some hearty food, like. Oh, I like that. This is giving 10. What you think? You don't like
I'll
that?
give it a 7.
What?
It's not nasty. Is it tomato in it? Like tomato or something?
I don't know about her,
Yeah,
y'all.
it's-
This good.
It's not nasty, but it's. I don't even know what it tastes like because I never had it.
Try with your bread. He said it'd be better with the bread. I'm gonna make a sandwich. I don't know what else to do. Make me a little sandwich. Put some shrimp
My
on there.
bread's so good.
It made it better. I can't believe you don't like it like that. I'm scared now. I like this.
You want some bread?
I ain't gonna lie, this is good fire. I just made a sound. Oh my god.
Would I come
You
back
wanna
here
taste
again?
this?
Yeah, let me see. Yeah. I would come back here. Like,
It's
the
good.
customer service is pretty good.
Yeah, they are really good.
The vibes, it's like a cool little, you know.
I ain't dig
vibe.
on this side. It's shrimp. Shrimp right there.
Oh, it's shrimp in it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like this out. It's shrimp?
Well, I don't know what they did. Girl, you gotta get some sauce. Hold on, grab. Get some sauce. Get some sauce. Yeah, just grab it. Get you some sauce. Try with your rice. This is good as fuck. Oh, I'm sorry. You like it?
Yours is better.
This shit's good.
Yours is better.
What you gonna like? Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
don't
try
know.
it. What you gonna like about it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try it.
Y'all, it's Perfect.
Okay, I'm about to try her food. Let me hurry up for my phone call back. I'm not gonna get no chicken. I'm gonna just try this with the sauce. I understand. It tastes.
Y'all, I got me some of that hinga haga hinga hoodie hinga. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. No, she did. It ain't bad.
Okay, y'all. So all in all, my food to me was a 10 out of 10. I really liked it.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, her food, I ain't gonna lie. When I tried it, it was okay. It looked like it just needed something. Maybe the bread made it better. I don't know.
The bread is fine.
Yeah.
The wine was,
I had to put orange juice in mine.
but the food, I would definitely come back again.
Okay, y'all. So we finna close this video out. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure y'all. I'm sorry for the camera quality. It kept changing because my phone kept running out of storage, so I had to use a different phone. And yeah, sorry. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that ding that bell and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to her channel. It's gonna be down in the description box below. Let us know what you think of this video. If you want us to try some more foods, comment them down in the comment section, and we'll do that. She's so silly. And
make sure y'all subscribe to our channel.
yes, we need
we
that.
on the road to 1K, y'all. All y'all do is click the button, and we'll see y'all in the next video. If y'all want to see more collabs with us, let us know down below.
No, but y'all, seriously, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe. Thank y'all for the love. Keep on watching. Hit that subscribe button. We coming for the 1K. We almost there. And bye.